Hey guys, welcome to Thursday night's notes. These are actually going to be up by about 3:10, so I hope you guys get to them earlier today. And we're going to be talking about absolute value inequalities now. We're going to go into where these are a little bit more difficult. So, same rules apply that apply to absolute value equations. The first thing we need to do is we need to isolate the absolute value. So I need to get rid of this 3 and 7. So I'm going to start by subtracting 7 to both sides. And I get 3 times the absolute value of 2x minus 3 less than or equal to, less than or equal to 24. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I get the absolute value of 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 8. Now I make my two equations. 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 8. Remember, the second one, the left side is the same. I flip the sign and make the answer negative. Now I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I get 2x less than or equal to 11. Divide by 2, and I get x is less than or equal to 11 over 2. For this one, I add 3 to both sides. I get 2x greater than or equal to negative 5. Divide by 2, and I get x is greater than or equal to negative 5 halves. Now, this is an or statement. This is an and statement, because my answer can be less than 11 over 2 and greater than negative 5 over 2. So I write it as negative 5 over 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 11 over 2. And here is my answer. And when you go to example 2, same idea. So now I'm going to subtract 13 to both sides. I get 4 times the absolute value of 4x minus 5 is less than or equal to negative 1. I want to divide by 4, and I get the absolute value of 4x, minus 5. Absolute value is less than or equal to negative 1 over 4. Now, absolute value is less than a negative is not going to be possible because this is a positive, so this is no solutions. If I had gotten absolute value is greater than or equal to, then it would have been all solutions, because that would always be true. So these are pretty much done the same way we just did the stuff from yesterday. So just go ahead and make sure we understand what we're doing here, and then come prepared to class tomorrow. Make sure you write down any questions that you may have from the notes. Have a great night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.